Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an IKEA haul. I don't know if you could see it behind me, kind of, but I'm so excited today. I'm going to be shopping for like planters, plant stands, all that kind of stuff. I'm even gonna check out their plant section, like their live plants, and see what they've got for you guys in case you guys are interested. I love these kinds of videos. I love watching them, so I figured might as well do one since I need some stuff myself today. I'm meeting up with my sisters. They should be here any minute now, and they need a few things, and I'm gonna just stock the plant section. So we'll see what they've got. If you do like this video, please thumbs it up because it really helps me a lot. Make sure you comment down below as well. I will be doing a haul video with everything that I get. Hopefully I don't spend too much money because there's a lot of things on my wish list. Hopefully they're out of stock so that I don't spend so much money. Not really, I hope they have them. I'm so excited for this video. I haven't been to IKEA since way before COVID, so this is gonna be so much fun. I've got my mask and we're gonna be safe. I've got my hand sanitizer and everything, so let's get started. So I actually had to grab the camera and show you guys some of the live plants that they had. I was actually pretty surprised by how many they had and how good they looked. But right here are a bunch of peace lilies and they were only $12.99. I mean, that's a very good price. They had a bunch of golden pothos. They were actually scattered all over the place. And then they had some money trees. I didn't check the prices on absolutely everything, but it was all affordable. And then they also had a bunch of orchids. I'm not a big orchid person, but I think the ones they had were super nice. They all looked so healthy. And then they had like a really big variety of succulents, and I thought they were super cute, and they put like a few in one pot, so I really like that. Some more golden pothos that they had, so adorable. They had really nice ones. Then I found these peperomia obtusifolias with like pink edges around their leaves, and I don't know if that's normal or not, but I don't think I've ever seen that before. So I was really inspecting it, like considering getting it, but I already have one just without the pink, so I was like, I shouldn't. And then they had some really nice dracenias, super cute, very vibrant green colors. I really liked it a lot. I already have one of these as well, so I didn't end up picking it up, but if you're looking for one, IKEA really was a good place for them. They also had some really cute succulents in these little plastic containers. Super cute. Tried to get a close-up of that. I actually was thinking of getting one, but I didn't. I actually didn't buy any live plants. I was mainly there for like pots and stuff. And then I found these pots, the black and white ones, and I couldn't tell if the white one was like true white or off-white. I kind of want like a true white one, so I didn't end up getting it. Then I spotted these anthuriums. I was really surprised that they had these. These are super cute plants, beautiful red coloring on them, and I almost got one of those just because I don't have one, but I skipped it, of course. And then they had these water meter readers, and they were only $4.99, and I just couldn't figure out, like, once you plop it in the soil, how do you know if it's wet or dry? It's not digital like the other ones that I've seen, so I wasn't exactly sure how it worked, so that's the only reason I didn't buy it, but I kind of want to go back and get it and figure it out. Here are some more succulents, super cute. I liked this one a lot. And then they had some really nice Sansevieria, super cute snake plants, very thin, a lot in one pot, and I believe it was $9.99. It was $9.99. Then I spotted some huge plants. So they have like these big palm plants that were really nice. They had giant fiddle leaf figs, which are very hard to find this big and this healthy. They also had these ones right here, and I actually was considering getting one of these, but these get so huge. My mom has one, and it's just growing tremendously. So yeah, that's every live plant that they had. I was really interested in these terrariums because I felt like it would be cute to put a plant in there that needs high humidity. That was just cute. It was $9.99. So yeah, that's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hey guys, thanks so much for sticking around to the end of this video. So I'm just going to share with you guys a haul of what I got from IKEA. It's been a couple days since I actually filmed the shop with me with my sisters, so I've definitely been using this stuff around my apartment, and I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got. I did spend a lot of money, but like a lot of it was like I bought 2 rugs, so that's not really plant related, but I did share it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, here's a shameless plug to go follow me, because you guys get to see all the things that I buy and all the things that I'm filming ahead of time. I do want to share with you guys just the plant stuff that I got. That I really love is this plant stand, and it's so cute. It's all white, which I really love, and it has like 2 levels of space for you to put your decor. And what I really like about it is I placed it near my window, and I'm able to put things on the top shelf that need more light. And before, my stuff was just on the floor and not getting enough light, and I feel like I put this philodendron sellum on the top shelf, and ever since I did that, it's been thriving and growing a ton of new leaves, and you can even see them like kind of reaching towards the sun. So I think it really likes a lot of sun. I'm really happy that I got this plant stand. Right now on the bottom, I have all my syngoniums. I have a regular syngonium, I have a gold illusion actually that's not on there, and then I have 2 syngonium white butterflies that I recently got. So yeah, I'm really excited about this plant stand. It's super cute, and the good thing about it is it kind of will go anywhere. Like I was even thinking I could move it to my dining room, I could move it towards like my bedroom, anywhere, and it would just go well with all my decor. So I really like it. The next thing I got, I'm so excited about, and this is mainly like why I wanted to go to IKEA. I knew that I wanted this, but it is a terrarium or a greenhouse. I don't know what you would call it, but it basically is really good for plants that need high humidity. You put them in there and you close the top, and it's so cute. I love it. It looks good. It looks aesthetic. I put it on my shelf. And the plants that are in there right now, I have my Pilea mollis, I have my Calathea, which loves high humidity, like all Calatheas love high humidity. And then I have a Fittonia, which I just recently got. If you haven't seen my Hertz plant haul, I'll insert it right here. But I recently got that from Hertz, and it's super cute, and I looked it up, and it does like a lot of humidity. It's a tropical plant that grows on the floor of like the rainforest, so it really loves humidity. I'm so happy that I got this terrarium or greenhouse just in time for it to really thrive in there. I've put all the plants in there, and they look really, really good and growing really well, so it's definitely working out for them. So yeah, I really love the greenhouse. And then I also did pick up some pots. I really wanted to get some more, but I realized that I didn't really plan out my aesthetic of what I want everything to look like, and I didn't want to buy a bunch of different pots. I'm kind of thinking I want my aesthetic in my living room to be like all the same pots. Kind of have to redo a bunch of them, and I wasn't 100% sure on which ones I wanted to go with, so I just picked up a few. I picked up these 2 white pots that I really, really like, and I'm thinking these will go on a shelf, and I'll probably put like 2 plants next to it, you know, that are maybe the same plant. I don't know. I haven't decided really, but these are going to be probably for a shelf, and I wanted to get 2 of the same kind so that they match. But then I also thought this one would look really good with it, and this one is like a much heavier ceramic pot. This one's, I don't even know what this material is. It's hard to say. It's IKEA, it's cheap. but this one probably is really ceramic, and I like this one a lot. There's no drainage hole in any of these, so that kind of sucks. I'm thinking I'll probably just put the nursery pot in here so that it still has room to drain. But this one was super cute because of the colors. It's like a neutral tan color with a white, and that's like my vibe. I love that. So I figured these three together would look super cute. And the rest of the stuff that I got at IKEA was like kitchen stuff. Like I needed some new knives. I needed like a cutting board, so like nothing that exciting. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching the whole video. Thumbs it up if you did enjoy it, and I'll do more like this. Please comment down below what your favorite thing is that I got or that you saw at IKEA. Maybe I didn't even get it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, because I do a ton of fun videos like this. I actually have a Trader Joe's shop with me coming up, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. It's gonna be like a Trader Joe's plant shop with me, so not groceries. So definitely subscribe to my channel. And also, before I end this video, I gotta tell you guys about my giveaway. I haven't talked about it in the last few videos that I've had, but me and my friend Amaryllis are doing a joint giveaway. We're gonna be giving away an Amazon gift card to one lucky winner. Basically, all you need to do is subscribe to both of our channels, and once we both hit 500 subscribers, we're going to be starting the giveaway, and we will insert the rules once we both hit 500 subscribers, and then we can start the giveaway. So please, please, please follow both of us. Go check out her channel. I'll link it down below. She does great content, very similar to mine, and you definitely won't regret it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.